Now, now that I've got my lesson, I could turn around and say, turn this into a Microsoft Teams assignment. Assignment for my pupils. Make sure it is in child-friendly language, and is aimed at 12-year-olds. And it will turn around and put it as a small instruction thing for Teams, and all I have to do is cut and paste that straight in to it so that they're aware of it. Or I could say, turn this lesson plan into PowerPoint slides. Now, it's not going to change it into slides, but it will change it into the things that you can put on the slides. And there you have all of the slides for that lesson. We've got that, and all we have to do is go up here and click copy, and I can copy all of that over. And hey presto, I've got a lesson on World War I and the impact it had in Scotland. I've got slides, I've got assessment criteria, and I've got a rubrics, all in the space of not even 5 minutes.